To start setting up your JobFlash worker account, simply tap the account button at the bottom right of your screen. Once you are on the account page, tap the Join or Switch to Worker Mode button to start the registration process. Finish your profile, set up your Stripe account, and complete the ID verification process. Then, tap on Ready, and wait for an email confirmation. Now that you are in worker mode, tap the Filters button to personalize your account. Start by tapping on the Categories tab. Then, select the categories that fit your interests and capabilities. Press Done, and select the job size and time of day you prefer. Tap the Apply Filters button to save your modification. Now that your account is set up, scroll the worker mode news feed and choose your first job. Once you've selected a job, read the description, and look at the pictures to have a better understanding of the work that needs to be done. If you want to take the job, press I want this job, and JobFlash will connect you to the client. Now that you are connected, chat with the client to get more details about the job. When you and your client's questions are answered, tap the Confirm Job button and fill out the confirmation sheet. Once you've pressed Confirm this job, all you need to do is show up to the job site, and complete the confirmed job. When you finish a job, tap the My Jobs button at the bottom of the screen and select the job that you've completed. Tap Mark as Done to begin the invoicing process. To bill your client, enter the date on which the job was completed and enter the hours you've worked. If you had to buy any materials, take pictures of your receipts and enter the total in the amount box. Finally, add your comments on the job and tap the Send Invoice and Get Paid button to receive your payment.